I welcome you on board, but do you know the secret of how to get lost in Germany effectively? And how to use this knowledge to master the 3 hardest aspects of the German grammar? In the next 90 seconds, you will experience the 3 hardest to climb mountains in the German grammar by, for example, to get lost in the train. You can either say, ich fahre den Zug, I drive the train. Or you say, ich fahre in dem Zug, I drive in the train. Do you see how this small word is changing the article from den to dem? This small word is called a preposition and it changes the direction of an action. Let's have some other examples with the example of neben, next to. Ich fahre neben den Zug, I drive next to the train. Or ich parke neben dem Zug, I park next to the train. In both sentences we have neben as a preposition, but obviously here the verb is changing the ending of the article from den to dem and not the preposition. For you to understand the difference in these prepositions, check out the free video of this course in the preview. I welcome you for the Easy German Grammar course A2.2. I say Guten Tag, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, and Ni Hao. My name is Kevin. I'm your native German language instructor. I have been in these locations in Germany and been around Germany, mainly serving as a German tank officer. But what I would like to share with you the most is my experience that I made teaching German in 48 countries in total, as I lived in Mongolia, Saint Benoît, in the mountains of Uzbekistan, Salam, as well as in Norway. We can snacka norsk med varandra. Most of the time living in Lithuania, med galima kalbiti lietuviškai, or in beautiful Mexico, vámonos a hablar en español, in Peru, as well as I lived in India for a short term. In this course, you will learn everything about the German cases and the direction of the action, the preposition, to find your way through Germany safely and to not get lost. You need around 15 units to accomplish this, but before you start this course, be sure that you finish the basic knowledge of the German grammar. Check out the other courses if you didn't finish them yet. Buy the course now to join our ranks on board, and I will guide you safely through the waves of the German time. See you soon on board.